Now we are going to solve a probability related problem. Problem is a random variable x has unknown distribution with mean 12 and variance sigma square equal to 9. That means sigma SD equals to 3. We have to find the probability of x lies between 6 to 18. We know from Tchebycheff inequality probability x minus modulus x minus mean greater than equal to, say the constant is c, less equal to sigma square by c greater than equal to 1 minus sigma square by c square. Therefore, probability minus c less than equal to, as it is given that as we have to find the probability x lies between 6 and 18 and no equality is there, therefore probability minus c less than x minus 12 less than c greater than equal to 1 minus 9 by c square. Probability 12 minus c less than x less than 12 plus c 1 minus greater than equal to 1 minus 9 by c square. Comparing these with this one, 12 minus c equal to 6 and 12 plus c equals to 18. To c equals to c equal to 12, c equal to 6. Therefore, probability 6 less than x less than 18 greater than equal to 1 minus 9 by 6 square greater than equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 greater than equal to 3 by 4. Very easy to solve. Okay. If any doubt, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.